Tucked at the end of a quiet private road on Maquam Shore, this lakefront retreat offers 100 feet of direct shoreline along the coveted Gold Coast of Lake Champlain. Wake up to lake views, spend your days on the water, boating, paddleboarding, or simply floating, and take in unforgettable sunsets from your oversized back deck. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, an open kitchen and dining area, and a cozy living room with a fireplace. Perfect for year-round comfort or summer gatherings. With a newer roof and the option for year-round living, this home is ready for its next chapter. Located in St. Albans Town, you're just minutes from historic downtown, restaurants, and easy interstate access, offering the ideal blend of lakeside tranquility and everyday convenience. Come experience lake life the Vermont way.